Hi everyone, this is BhawnaLunthi here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for the today's video, I have tried different hairstyles for short hairs. Even if you have long hairs, you can try it too. So let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it now. And you can follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram profile link. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.